Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by assessing damage. Determine whether the chip hits only the clear coat, the color, or the bare wood. Once done, clean the area with lacquer thinner to remove oils. Make sure to let it fully evaporate. Lightly sand edges of the chip with 400-600 grit to feather the finish and create a key for adhesion. If bare wood is exposed, apply a thin sealing coat of primer or shellac. This prevents bleeding and creates a uniform surface for paint. You now match and apply color. Mix small amounts until the hue and gloss match under the same light. Test on a scrap. Use a fine brush or toothpick to place paint only in the chip, building the color with thin layers. Make sure each layer cures fully before the next to avoid sinking. Once the fill is slightly proud of the surface, wet sand with 800-1000 grit to level transitions. This creates a smooth base for the clear coat and prevents visible steps. You finish by sealing the repair with clear coat, spray or brush light, even passes so each layer flashes off. Avoid heavy coats that run. Build 2-4 thin layers until the repair matches surrounding gloss, then let cure for the recommended time. Wet sand the cured clear with 1000-2000 grit to remove orange peel, then polish progressively with rubbing compound and a finishing polish to restore shine. If you see haze or lifting, stop. Test with iso.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.